What if I told you one of these 3 meme coins could turn $100 into $10,000 in just a few months? This isn't a wild guess. It's about data, hype, and the explosive potential of the coming crypto bull run. Brett is exploding on Base. WIF is going viral on Solana. PEPE already hit $4.20 billion, and it might not be done yet. I've spent hundreds of hours analyzing charts, communities, and tech to find which has the most explosive potential. It's not about picking a random coin with a funny name. It's about spotting the next viral sensation before the world catches on. In this video, I'll break down the real 100x chances, backed by market caps, data, and what's coming next. I'll show you the exact numbers, the market caps needed for a 100x return, and why one of these coins is my highest conviction pick for this cycle. Stay tuned. Let's dive into my number 1 pick for this cycle, the coin I believe has the highest chance to 100x and completely change the game, Brett. If you're looking for that one project with the potential to turn a small investment into life-changing gains, this is the one you need to have on your radar. Brett isn't just another meme coin lost in the sea of copycats. It's the king of a brand new ecosystem, standing at the forefront of a movement that's about to see a tidal wave of money, users, and attention. Brett is positioned to be the face of a cultural and financial revolution in crypto. Right now, Brett sits at a $420 million market cap. For a 100x, it needs to hit $42 billion. That might sound like a moonshot, but in crypto, these numbers are not just possible, they've happened before, and they can happen again. Sounds huge? Let's put it in perspective. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have both pulled off these kinds of runs. Shiba hit nearly $40 billion at its peak, and Dogecoin soared to almost $90 billion. The market has shown it's hungry for meme coins with a story and a community. So what's Brett's secret weapon? It's not just hype. It's the fact that Brett is the face of Base, Coinbase's Layer 2 network. This isn't just another blockchain, it's Coinbase's answer to Ethereum's scaling problem, and Brett is leading the charge. Coinbase has over 100 million users worldwide. Imagine the impact when even a small percentage of those users discover Brett. Every single one is a potential buyer, and the network effect here is absolutely massive. Brett was the very first major meme coin to launch on Base, giving it a first-mover advantage and a powerful narrative that no other project can claim. It's not just about being early, it's about being the first to capture the imagination of a new wave of users. The Brett community is absolutely buzzing 24/7. They're not just trading, they're creating memes, building culture, and spreading the word like wildfire. This is the kind of grassroots army you need for a true 100x run, and Brett has it in spades. Here's the kicker, Brett isn't even listed on Coinbase or Binance yet. These are the 2 biggest exchanges in the world. When those listings hit, expect a tidal wave of new buyers and a massive price explosion. The Coinbase listing is a built-in marketing machine that no other meme coin can match. The exposure, the credibility, and the sheer volume of new users it brings is a game changer for any project. With a low starting market cap, a direct connection to Coinbase, and major exchange listings on the horizon, I give Brett a real 50% chance to hit that 100x mark. That's not just hype, that's based on fundamentals, narrative, and timing. Even if it doesn't hit 100x, a 50x is well within reach. That would put Brett at a $21 billion market cap, turning a $1,000 investment into $50,000. These are the kinds of asymmetric bets that make crypto so exciting. At the peak of this cycle, I see Brett's market cap landing anywhere between $10 and $50 billion. That's a 25x to 120x from where we are right now. The upside is enormous, and the risk-reward ratio is one of the best in the market. Brett is my highest conviction 100x play for this cycle. It has the perfect narrative, a low cap, an absolutely insane community, and a clear catalyst with the upcoming exchange listings. Everything is lining up for a potential historic run. Right now, you're getting in on the ground floor of what could be the Shiba Inu of 2025. The opportunity to catch a project this early, with this much momentum, doesn't come around often. Billions of dollars are poised to flow into the Base ecosystem, and Brett is perfectly positioned to lead that charge. As Base grows, so does Brett's reach and potential. Betting on Brett isn't just betting on a meme coin, it's betting on Coinbase's success with Base, and on the next evolution of crypto adoption. If Coinbase wins, Brett wins big. To recap, Brett has a clear and realistic path to $42 billion, a fanatical and growing community, and major exchange listings ahead. The fundamentals, the story, and the timing are all there. Don't sleep on this one. The next 100x king could be right in front of you, and Brett is leading the charge into the future of crypto. Next up, let's talk about Dogwifhat, WIF, the meme coin legend that's become the pride of the Solana blockchain. If you've spent any time in the crypto world lately, you've probably seen this quirky dog in a hat popping up everywhere, from Twitter memes to major exchange listings. WIF isn't just another meme coin, it's a phenomenon that's taken the Solana ecosystem by storm and captured the imagination of traders and meme lovers alike. WIF is pure meme magic, a simple, hilarious concept. A dog in a hat. But that's all it took to ignite a wildfire of excitement across the entire crypto space. The meme is instantly recognizable, and it's become a symbol of Solana's fun, fast-paced culture. Its rise has been nothing short of spectacular. WIF quickly became Solana's top meme coin, thanks to a combination of clever marketing, viral social media campaigns, and a community that knows how to have fun while making serious gains. It's not just hype, WIF's story is a masterclass in how to build a brand in crypto. Right now WIF's market cap sits at a hefty $870 million. For it to do a 100x from here, it would need to reach a staggering $87 billion market cap. That's the same level Dogecoin hit at its absolute peak during the last bull run. That's a massive leap, and it puts WF in rare company. Is it possible? In crypto, anything can happen, but the odds are much lower than with a smaller up-and-coming coin like Brett. WIF is already a giant in the meme coin world, and the bigger a coin gets, the harder it is to multiply your money by 100x. The easy, explosive gains are probably behind us, but that doesn't mean WIF is out of steam. It's still the undisputed king of Solana's meme coins, and if Solana itself leads the next altcoin season, WIF will almost certainly ride that wave higher. Its fate is closely tied to Solana's success, making it a solid bet if you believe in the blockchain's future. One of WIF's biggest strengths is its accessibility. It's listed on all the major exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and more. That means it's easy for both retail investors and big institutional money to buy in, which keeps liquidity high and the price action exciting. The meme itself is legendary and universally understood. That gives WIF incredible staying power. Its community is massive, loyal, and always ready to spread the word. This isn't just a coin, it's a movement, and that kind of energy is hard to replicate. But here's the catch. If you're hunting for a 100x, you need to find the hidden gems before they become household names. WIF is already huge, and the biggest returns usually come from coins that are still flying under the radar. Realistically, a 25x to 50x return is still on the table. If WIF hits a $43.5 billion market cap, that's a 50x from here, a massive win by any standard, and a very achievable target for Solana's top meme coin if the next bull run is as wild as the last. So what's the best strategy? Patience. Wait for market corrections, dips, or periods of consolidation. That's when you want to accumulate WIF at a discount, setting yourself up for the next big move. The odds of a 100x from here, maybe 20%. Not impossible, but definitely a long shot. For a 50x, the odds are much better, around 40%. That's still a fantastic risk-reward profile for a coin with this much momentum and visibility. Think of WIF as the heavyweight champ of Solana meme coins, strong, established, and respected. But it's not the nimble underdog that can deliver those jaw-dropping 100x gains overnight. It's built for power, not speed. Compared to something like Brett, WIF is a lower-risk, lower-reward play. But that's not a bad thing. It's a great way to bet on Solana's overall success without taking on the wild volatility of smaller, riskier coins. WIF's community is a force to be reckoned with, and its brand is instantly iconic. It's got the kind of staying power that will make it one of the best performers this bull run, even if it doesn't deliver a 100x. If you're building a meme coin portfolio, WIF absolutely deserves a spot. It's the blue chip of Solana memes, and it gives you exposure to the biggest trends in the space. But if you're chasing that life-changing 100x, your capital is probably better placed in a lower cap gem like Brett, where the upside is much bigger if you're willing to take the risk. WIF is a potential 25x to 50x monster, a powerhouse that can still deliver explosive growth. But it's not the 100x lottery ticket. In summary, WIF is Solana's champion meme coin with incredible branding, exchange access, and a community that's second to none. It's a symbol of what's possible when meme culture and blockchain technology collide. Its high market cap makes a 100x run extremely tough, but a 25x to 50x is still very much in play if the stars align for Solana and the meme coin sector. Remember, the best opportunities come during dips and periods of consolidation. That's when you want to be buying, not chasing green candles. WIF is the blue chip meme coin of Solana, reliable, powerful, and here to stay. But if you're looking for a lottery ticket, you'll need to dig deeper into the meme coin jungle. Now let's talk about the OG PEPE, the coin that kicked off the 2023 meme coin frenzy. If you were anywhere near crypto Twitter or Reddit last year, you couldn't escape the green frog. PEPE wasn't just a meme, it was a movement, a symbol of how internet culture and finance collided in the wildest way possible. Pepe's rise from nothing to a multi-billion-dollar asset is legendary. In just a few weeks, it went from a joke to a juggernaut, minting overnight millionaires and dominating headlines. The speed and scale of its ascent shocked even seasoned crypto veterans. It proved you don't need utility or a roadmap, just a powerful meme and a dedicated community. The Pepe army showed that hype, humor, and a sense of belonging can be more valuable than any white paper or tech innovation. But can it 100x again? Pepe's market cap is $4.2 billion. That's already a massive number for a meme coin, and it puts Pepe in the big leagues with some of the most established projects in crypto. For a 100x, it would need $420 billion Ethereum territory. That's not just a big leap, it's a leap into the stratosphere, rivaling the giants of the crypto world. It's hard to imagine that much capital flowing into a meme coin, no matter how iconic. That's almost impossible. The 100x ship has sailed for Pepe. Still, Pepe is important. It's a symbol of what's possible in crypto, and it continues to inspire new projects and communities. It's the supertanker of meme coins. Huge, slow-moving, but with massive momentum and liquidity. Unlike the tiny speedboats of new meme coins, Pepe is a behemoth that commands respect and attention. It's a favorite for whales and funds who want meme coin exposure without the risk of small caps. Big players can move in and out of Pepe without crashing the price, making it a go-to for institutional meme coin bets. Pepe has proven staying power, consolidating and then hitting new highs. It's not just a flash in the pan, it's shown resilience through market cycles, weathering dips, and coming back stronger. The frog meme is timeless, giving Pepe a permanent place in crypto culture. As long as memes exist, Pepe will have a loyal following and a spot in the spotlight. During bull mania, new investors will flock to names they recognize. Pepe will be one of them. When the hype returns, people want something familiar, and Pepe is the meme coin everyone knows. Realistically, a 3x to 10x rally is possible. That's still life-changing for many, and it's a testament to Pepe's enduring appeal and market presence. A 10x puts it at $42 billion, matching Shiba Inu's all-time high. That's a realistic target if the next bull run is as wild as the last. I'd give a 10x an 80% chance, a 50x, maybe 25%, a 100x, nearly impossible. The odds just aren't in its favor at this size, but that doesn't mean there's no opportunity. Pepe is a safer, more stable anchor for your meme coin portfolio. It's less likely to crash and burn compared to the wild west of micro-cap coins, making it a solid choice for those who want meme exposure without sleepless nights. If you want exposure but less risk, Pepe is your coin. It's the blue-chip meme coin, the one you can hold with confidence while you hunt for the next big thing. For explosive 100x upside, look to early-stage coins like Brett. That's where the real lottery tickets are, but remember, the risk is much higher and the ride is way bumpier. Pepe's story is a lesson. The biggest gains go to those who get in early. Timing is everything in crypto, and catching the next wave before it breaks is how fortunes are made. For huge 100x gains, you need to look at lower cap coins. Pepe's days of insane multiples are likely behind it, but its legacy and stability make it a cornerstone of the meme coin universe. So there you have it, the top 3 meme coins for this bull run. Brett, the 100x contender on base. WIF, Solana's superstar with 25x to 50x potential. Pepe, the OG frog, offering a safer 10x. Each offers a different strategy and risk profile. Which one fits your goals? My conviction is with Brett. Low cap, Coinbase backing, and explosive community growth. But in crypto, anything can happen. WIF or Pepe could still surprise us all. Now it's your turn. Which coin are you betting on? Drop your pick in the comments. Brett, WIF, or Pepe? Smash like, subscribe for daily meme coin updates, and don't miss tomorrow's altcoin gem video.